Hey everyone! So today I'm filming a video on what's inside of my Michael Kors collection Suntan Miranda bag. For those of you that aren't familiar with the Michael Kors collection, it is different from the Michael by Michael Kors collection. The Michael Kors collection is usually the price point is significantly higher than the Michael by Michael Kors, and he uses Italian leathers and usually has brighter metal hardware, and it can be hard to find. Now this Miranda bag is not new to Michael Kors. I believe Heidi Klum really put this bag on the map, on the radar, when she started carrying around the larger size in a almost fluorescent yellow color. It is a gorgeous bag, and it has plenty of room. It measures, from the stitching, it measures 11 high and 9 wide, and the drop in the handle on this size is 7.5. The larger side is slightly larger. It's 13.5 high by 11 wide, and the drop in the handle is 8.5. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's inside of my Miranda Michael Kors collection suntan leather bag. So as you can see, this bag has a tie, which is not very functional, if I have to be honest. It's identical. The back flap is identical to the front. Embossed in the front is the Michael Kors name, and the inside is a suede leather, and it has an inside zip pocket and two pouches that are big enough to hold most tech, so your iPhones or your iPods, sorry. And it has a beautiful metal plate on that side, and then you look down in the bag, and this is what I tend to carry with me most days. My Ray-Ban aviator sunglasses and case. I'll show you what the glasses look like. One of my favorite just winter pair because the sun isn't so bright. So this pair has a slightly bluish gray tint, and it's very light shading actually. I have my Nook because my job, just to tell you a little bit about what I do, I am a personal assistant, so I find that often I am sitting around waiting for contractors or waiting to pick up or drop off items, and so I do have some time to read. I have my Louis Vuitton little zip coin pouch that I like to keep my driver's license and my most frequently used credit cards. And on that I have Gotta Get the Workout In, Planet Fit, and one set of car keys. My iPad mini, some dining coupons, the Costco booklet, very important. I like to carry a notepad with me because, like I said, I do a lot of my work electronically, but it is very helpful to have a notepad on hand when clients are calling, giving me a grocery list of things to do. Now this is just to hold my receipts and any coupons that I know I need to use within the month. So it's stuff with that. A lot of times I have to submit receipts to clients because I'm making purchases for them. And this is the pocket. In this one, I have some loose business cards. And here, probably the business card case and gift cards. I get a lot of gift cards, and if I don't keep them on hand, I find that I won't use them. I also have the small size makeup pouch, the Damier Azur by Louis Vuitton. And this thing, although it's small, it really can carry a lot. Some Gardener's Therapy hand cream, Sephora, the best mascara, just to have on hand for if I'm running late, I need to quickly put on mascara. I have Smashbox Reflection High Shine lip gloss in this beautiful coral glittery color. It is awesome. I have, you can see that, upside down, YSL. And this is one of the newer Rouge Shine, the Lump Shine, and the color right here, that's actually the color that's in there, and some Chanel, some Revlon, and some just regular chapstick. Hair ties, decide to quick run into the gym, and then it also fits my Louis Vuitton, my all-time favorite wallet. So functional. It holds 2 checkbooks, 12 credit cards, has 2 zip closures, plenty of space for cash. Love it. And if you look inside of here, there is just a ton of room. I could probably carry more, but I just try to condense and not have too much on me throughout the day. So this is the Michael Kors Miranda in Suntan. It really has a lot of space, and I love this bag. It is, I've carried in the past Coach, Louis Vuitton, Longchamp, you know, you name it, I've carried it. But this bag just has such great quality leather. It's supple, and it really just has a nice pop with the metal detailing and the straps. There's a nice weight to it, a nice drop in the handle. You can actually slip this on your arm and carry it hands-free. So that is the end of my review on the Miranda bag by Michael Kors. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.